Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that all are you doing awesome. Today in this video we will discuss about Capcut. Capcut is an application that helps you to edit your videos, photos and many more content. We will type here Capcut. Here is this. In Google you can use this application on your mobile smartphones. If you using a desktop or a laptop, you can install this application on Google Play, but we will not install it. We will find some information about CapCut. Information about CapCut application. Here are the results. CapCut offers easy to use video editing functions, free and app fonts and effects, free advanced features such as keyframe, animation, smooth, slow motion, chroma key and stabilization. So we will use this is information on this site, and this is also a new link. This site cannot be reached. I think my network is not stable. No, it shows CapCut. What is CapCut? TikTok video editing app. VMaker. Summary CapCut. CapCut features, CapCut reviews, CapCut status and information. If you want these information, you can visit this website. So, what is CapCut? CapCut is a free all-in-one video editing app that helps you to create incredible videos. See the official description on Google Play. Here is this Google Play CapCut application. CapCut was launched in the Chinese market as Jianing called. The app has been in the top 10 worldwide non-game. This is not a game. Most downloaded apps in 2019. So CapCut features are here. It is easy to use. Cut, reverse and change speed. Getting it just right is easier than ever. It is also high quality output. User can use advanced filters and flawless beauty effects that open up a world of possibilities. So top music hits and sound effects. Access to a massive music library and exclusive TikTok songs in this application. Stickers and texts. Full express uses thanks to top trending stickers and amazing fonts. Effects. Some effects in CapCut are get creative with a great range of visual effects. CapCut reviews. Users are already enjoying the app and leaving satisfied feedbacks like great editing app, very easy to use, fantastic app, very easy to use and multiple options for all needs. This is what I was looking for a long time, and all this is for free. Very cool. Very cool is this app. So this is the main information for CapCut. CapCut is very very useful application for editing your videos and photos and many more things. So keep connect with us Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. Thanks for watching.